So after checking in over there, this is the elevator. And it's definitely not crowded. Really pretty. And you have keyless entry. Alright guys, this is official room tour of our condo. We have a 1-bedroom with 2 beds as soon as you walk in. And we have, what is in here? It's locked, so we can't go in there. As you turn, oh, we have another bedroom with 2 beds. These are bigger, probably full of queen. Then we have a bathroom. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, let me not go there yet. Then we have the kitchen. Oh my gosh, we are gonna have so much fun. This is lovely. Absolutely lovely. It's so nice and spacious. They actually did a good job with the decorating. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Beautiful. We have some leather sofa and a suede recliner. Okay. Mirrors on the wall. Oh, and we do have a nice view off in the corner though, but it's good. And I could see my little my 15-passenger Sprinter bus down there. So we have an awesome view. This is from another window. Okay. Cute, cute, cute. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. Oh my goodness, this is so nice. Okay, so now this is the bedroom, the master bedroom. We have another bathroom, so we have 2 bathrooms so far. Oh yes, this is beautiful. Okay, okay, yes, yes, yes. We have a nice, oh yeah, this is nice. It's not front facing, but this is nice. This is not a bad unit at all. This is beautiful. All right, we have a ceiling fan too. This is so cute. This is absolutely beautiful. And whoever cleaned, it's really nice. It's really nice. I'm definitely gonna give them a great review. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. All right, y'all, so we're here in Panama City Beach. This is our condo. We are in the Regency Towers. And yeah, this is gonna be great. And this is room 802. So see you in the next video.